Nigeria was colonized by the Western world. And there are so many things the Western world adopts that Nigeria tries to match up to it. And today we are deciding at 774 NGR to talk about abortion and about legalizing it. Some Western countries have decided to adopt abortion and make it legalized. That is something quite different. But yes, some are like, what is wrong in a mother deciding to terminate her unborn child? Maybe she's not yet capable of taking care of the child at that particular time. Well, so many people with different thoughts. Some are like, no, you dare not terminate a body, no matter how small it is, even if it is in the embryo. Well, we're on the street today to ask people, different persons, what they think about Nigeria deciding to legalize abortion. My name is Mojusala Talks, and this is 774 NGR.
To me, I don't think so.
Why?
Because biblically, it's like you are killing. So once it's legalized, there won't be any restriction. Everybody will feel free to do whatever they like. And the issue of sleeping around with men, especially the underage girls, they won't have that discipline in them once it is legalized, because they know that anything that comes out of it, they are free to do whatever they like. And when it comes to the issue of drugs, that will be a case whereby they can be misused drug, and from there it can lead to untimely death to them.
Okay.
So, and biblically, it's not stated that the issue of abortion or something like that is not welcome. So for that reason, to me, I don't think it's ideal to legalize it in Nigeria.
Well, it depends. It depends on how we view it, or people out there view it. Legalizing abortion in Nigeria, to me, is unholy.
Okay.
It's unholy. Instead of making abortion a legal thing, there are some preventive measures we can take just to make sure the pregnancies are not forthcoming. So if probably due to carelessness you get a lady pregnanted, at the end of the day you want to abort, it's unreasonable to me. So if at the end of the day people start clamoring for legalizing abortion because it's legalized in Israel, it's done in some other developed nations of the world, our own settings here, I don't think it's not going to be compatible with it. It's not going to be compatible. We cannot compare our own system here with that of the Western nation.
Okay.
Western nation, it has been long. They are there already. We are just coming up. I can't even say we are developing yet, especially Nigeria. Quote me, and I stand to be corrected on that. We are not developing yet. So generally or summarily, I don't think legalizing abortion is not reasonable. It's unholy.
Well, it's a dicey one.
Okay.
Like it's been legalized has its advantage, and it also has its disadvantage. So I think it depends on the individual.
Okay.
So because some people, they could do it and they won't feel guilty about it, but some people, when they do, they feel traumatized. In fact, the guilt and all the effects it has on them again is like it's better if they have given birth, because of those
sure.
that guilt, that trauma of the abortion. Some will be dreaming about it. So it all depends on the individual. But me, I prefer them giving birth and giving them the child for adoption.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that.
But the adoption system in Nigeria is not really something to write home about compared to the Western world too.
Yeah, that's true. But for me,
But still, last, maybe just give birth to the child.
just give birth. That's it. Or zip up.
Anything concerning abortion, If woman do anything abortion, that person is out of the line. I don't welcome that. I don't welcome him or her.
Okay.
So Nigeria is just like that. We suffer a lot. I don't know, and we say we have government. Where is the government? People are dying every day. No food, no work, no money, no nothing, and we say we have government. We don't have government in Nigeria. I'm telling you this.
Okay. Now, if the government decides to put it into writing that abortion should be legalized, because there are so many children that are giving birth to that are not being properly taken care of. Some parents have not even eaten, talk less of them to be able to take care of the child. So if they legalize it, do you think it's a good one?
It's not a good one.
Okay.
Because when you born without father, any woman, any child, or any child that born without father, in fact, it's nonsense.
Okay.
So that's something is applicable to Nigeria, because Nigeria now we don't have government. That country, any country without government, is out of the line. I don't welcome that kind of country.
Well, as well as it's more of a personal thing. I personally feel that it shouldn't be legalized.
Why?
Yes, because I feel that those children also have rights to live. If were they to speak for themselves, they would choose life. I don't think they would choose to be aborted.
If you were to choose Nigeria, you choose Nigeria.
If I were to choose Nigeria, I will not choose Nigeria. So that's why I say those children, if they have the right to choose, they will choose to live.
Okay.
Even if they've not even witnessed what living is all about, I think they'll still choose to live. And since they are human lives, why not give them the chance to live?
Okay,
and there are other means to prevent them from coming in the first place.
Okay.
So why not make use of such means? There are quite a number of means we can use to prevent.
Tell us one.
You can use protective measures, safe sex, protected sex.
Okay.
There are contraceptives. Yes. There's abstinence.
And so on.
And so on, exactly.
Someone was mentioning adoption anyway, and the person was saying that you could just put the child out for adoption, considering the fact that Nigeria's adoption system is not really working. In fact, in some Western world, you see an adopted child and like that child is already part of the family. Nigeria is not like that.
Yes, we know that, but I've heard stories of mothers who give birth to their children. They don't want the children, and they go look for a safe place to keep the child, a place where they know that somebody can easily pick up the child, not a place where the child can be harmed. So they just keep the child, at a safe place where somebody can easily pick up the child, maybe drop the child at a police station. Even if our adoption system is not very regulated or orderly, but the fact that the child, even if the child is taken to an orphanage, the child will still grow up. There is still, a chance for the child to still live and then have a good life eventually. It might not be rosy for the child, but for the fact that the child is alive, the child has found him or herself alive, and then the child can now begin to struggle for him or herself.
Are you for or against the legalization of abortion in Nigeria? Let us know via the comment section. Comment below. Tell us what your thoughts are, because we definitely want to hear from you at 774NGR. Mojisola Talks, and I'll be on the street again asking people questions, interesting, entertaining, educative questions as usual. Make sure you stay safe. Bye-bye.